Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a super simple QuietBook page with removable felt shapes. So for this project you will need a prepared page, that's your loop fabric stabilized with the fusible interfacing. And next we'll be using a tearaway stabilizer to outline the shapes and open to a foot for embroidery and a few matching threads. So start by printing or drawing your shapes onto the tearaway stabilizer, cut it to the same size as your fabric page and then clip it securely in place. Now install the presser foot on your sewing machine and set it to a triple straight stitch. Begin sewing right on top of the printed shapes on the tearaway stabilizer. When you get to a corner, leave the needle down in the fabric and pivot your page. This little trick helps prevent skip stitches. And one more tip, don't push or pull the page while you are sewing. The feed dogs on your sewing machine will move the fabric back and forth for you during the triple stitch. Don't forget to secure the beginning and the end of sewing. Outline all the shapes same way as the first one. Leave quite long tail of the thread so you will be able to tie them into the knots later. To pull thread tails to the wrong side of the page, I'm going to use a self-threading needle. You just press the head of the needle against the threads and the thread will be in the needle. Find the nearest hole for both threads and insert the needle with both threads into the hole and bring the threads to the wrong side of the page. Do so with the remaining threads. Tie the knot to secure the threads like so. Tie the remaining threads. Tear away the stabilizer. Do not worry, it will not ruin your triple stitch. To make removable felt shapes, you will need hard felt and hook tape. Here I'm using the plastic one. Cut out only one felt detail of each shape. Place the hook tape onto the felt and using straight stitch, attach the hook tape onto the felt. Please notice that every time I'm pivoting the detail, my needle stays in the felt and I'm lifting the presser foot at the same time. Only doing so you'll have very neat stitch around the hook tape. Again, using the self-threading needle, pull the threads onto the wrong side of the felt detail and secure the threads by tying them into the knot. This part of the detail will be the back side. Attach the hook tape onto the remaining felt shapes. Take the bigger piece of felt. There is no need to cut out the shape at this point. Place the felt detail with the hook tape onto the bigger piece of felt. Now I'm going to show you a trick how to avoid threads tangling in the beginning of the stitch. Place the felt sandwich under the presser foot and hold the upper thread. Moving the wheel slowly by your hands, lift the needle and gently pull the upper thread. It will catch the lower thread and pull it through the needle plate. Take both the upper and lower threads and put them under the presser foot and continue sewing with a straight stitch as usually. Don't forget to make a secure stitch in the beginning and the end of sewing. This side of the felt detail will be the back side and this side will be the front one. Using the self-threading needle, pull 2 threads from the front side to the back side of the detail and tie a knot. Using the self-threading needle, hide the thread's tails into the felt. Pull the thread slightly and cut off the excess. Cut out felt shapes, cutting only one layer of felt along the edge of the felt detail that is backed with the hook tape. To cut out felt details with curved edges, use manicure scissors with curved tips. The page and details are ready. Thank you for watching and bye bye.